Hi, I'm Cindy Santa Ana, Integrative Nutritionist for the Amen Clinics and your Wellness Wednesday host. Today I'm going to chat about how to use vinegar to manage your blood sugar. When we eat something, we get a spike in our blood sugar and then hopefully it comes down. So one way that we can mitigate this is to use apple cider vinegar or rice wine vinegar, a vinegar that doesn't have any added sugars, in a glass of water about 20 minutes before a meal. You only need about 1 tablespoon of vinegar, and I like to use this raw, unfiltered version in a glass of water and just drink that before you're going to eat something that has some starches, carbs, sugars. Now, that's not to give us permission to eat all those high starch or carbs meals, but this does help flatten the glucose. How it works is vinegar slows the breakdown of starches into glucose and tells our muscles to soak up the glucose as it arrives in the bloodstream. This is how it reduces those glucose spikes from something we just ate. So last fall I wore a continuous glucose monitor and I used this trick, and I can tell you that instead of getting those spikes when I ate something like maybe a little treat like a gluten-free cookie, I would just get a little bump. So it really helped manage my blood sugar. So try a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in a glass of water 20 minutes before your meal and see if you don't start to feel better and maybe have better A1C levels, better blood sugar levels after your meals. Take care.